Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing awesome, and today I'm going to review the website called Honeygain.com. My name is Felix, and if you're here because you've been researching how to make money online using AI apps or looking for a side gig to supplement your income or maybe even replace your full-time job, then you're on the right video and on the right channel. I'm here to make sure you're not getting scammed, you're not exposing your info to the wrong hands, or simply wasting your time or money. And we all know time is money and people do get scammed. So let's get right into this. Honeygain.com is the ultimate passive income generator. I actually like the idea of this network. Honeygain.com is an innovative platform that allows you to earn money just by sharing your unused internet connection. Simply by installing the app, your internet connection becomes a valuable asset that Honeygain.com can use to gather data and optimize their service. Also, by sharing your unused internet with Honeygain, you help Honeygain's verified business partners perform data-intensive tasks like price comparison, ad verification, and more. And here's the best part. You don't have to worry about privacy or security. Apparently, Honeygain.com only collects non-personal, anonymous data. Your personal information is never compromised. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or even sleeping, Honeygain.com is constantly earning money for you. Just remember to keep the app running on the background. The more devices you have connected, the more you earn. However, all your devices should be on a different IP addresses. So let's say if you have, if you connect 10 devices, you have to have several IP addresses. Decide when you want to share and when to pause. You can always get back to earning if you decided to pause. So that's one way of earning with Honeygain. Another way to earn is through affiliate program they're on. You'll get commissions from new users who register with your affiliate link and share their bandwidth with their network. By the way, if you don't know what affiliate marketing and affiliate link is, then the link in the description box will tell you everything you need to know about it. So how much can you make? Well, it depends on the demand and the usage. But some users have reported earning up to $40 to $50 per month just by sharing their internet connection. You can request your money withdrawn via PayPal or turn on jump test mode and cash out in cryptocurrency. Download the app and start earning. So, Honeygain, so far in my opinion, is the easiest gig online. As you really physically don't need to do anything, and it doesn't require any particular skills for you to have except making sure the app is running. It doesn't require much of your time, and it leaves, if you want, more time for you to learn special skills to really earn money online. Because let's face it, yes, 40 or 50 extra dollars per month may let you pay a bill or allow you to buy extra items on your grocery list, but will it change your life in any significant way? I really don't think so. And if you feel like the current economic situation in the country and in the world as a whole is not working to your advantage, and you often feel like you're running on a treadmill without getting anywhere, much worse, you started to feel like you're falling behind, will $50 a month really help? Well, you and I know the answer, and the answer is no. And if the real change is what you need, then I'd like to tell you about my favorite strategy that earns $5,000 to $10,000 per month, and I'd like to give it to you absolutely at no charge. Just learn and apply. I will place the link for this strategy in the video description box below. Just click on the link and enter the information where you want it to be sent to, and I'll send it to you immediately. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, so you can get more videos like this. Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video review. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye-bye.